Hey guys, I crocheted 4-leaf clovers. I used this yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. First, I made a magic circle. To do this, wrap the end of the yarn over your fingers twice to form an X. Bring your hook under the first strand and pull the second strand through it. Yarn over and pull it through the loop created. This slip stitch secures the circle. For the stem, make 5 chain stitches. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the back loops, I made 4 slip stitches. Skip the first stitch. Go through the second stitch, yarn over, and pull it through the stitch and loop. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make 1 slip stitch in the magic circle. Go through the circle, yarn over, and pull it through the circle and the loop. For the leaf, I made 4 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make 1 treble crochet. Yarn over twice, go through the circle, yarn over, pull it through the circle, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull it through both loops. Next, make 1 double crochet. Yarn over, go through the circle, yarn over, pull it through the circle, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull it through both loops. Then make 1 treble crochet, followed by 4 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a slip stitch in the magic circle. That's 1 leaf. Repeat this 3 more times. Make 4 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1 treble crochet, followed by 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, 4 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a slip stitch in the magic circle. Cut the yarn and pull the end through the loop. I brought the end of the yarn to the back. Then tighten the circle. Using a tapestry needle, tuck in the ends and cut the extra yarn. And here's how it turned out.